Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on updating Xiaomi watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You need to use the Mi Fitness app to do this, so open up the app on your phone. Then tap Device at the bottom of the page. Scroll down and tap Update. If there is an update available, your watch will update. If your watch is up to date already, you will see this message saying current version up to date. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi watch tips and tricks.